is this? Mr. Sass, that's right, Mama Sass, Mrs. Sass, is working in the morning today, so I'm taking the camera to work, so I can't forget it when I have to get it. Walk the doggy, Duke, and all that other stuff. I'll be back, the elevator's gonna open and it'd be really awkward.
Oh no! Oh no! Open! Open, please! Tuck and roll, tuck and roll! Oh, thank God! Man, good thing they put brakes on these things. Oh my God, it's like a roller coaster at Wonderland.
See what she does to me for no reason. Wait! Hi everyone! Work is, whoa, quiet truck. Work is over. I had to stay like a half an hour late because just everything was all bruck up. It was driving me nuts and everyone's like, smile James, it's Friday. But you know what? It wasn't Friday for me yet. Now it's Friday. Now I'm happy. Now I can leave work. Now I can go see my daughter. Now I can go see my son. And now I can whip this phone at Mrs. Sass.
It's not a phone.
Oh yeah, sorry. You're a camera. Mrs. Sass.
He doesn't even know what he's talking about.
I'm gonna snap your freaking neck.
I dare you.
Someone help! I turned into a blue puddle of goo. Just kidding. I'm a human colored human thing. I don't know what I am. Do you know what I am?
A human.
Don't laugh, Mrs. Sass.
Sorry, Mr. Sass.
Can you cross your eyes? Oh my God, cross them. Even more. I'm feeling pretty silly today. We're going to baseball, and a good game is going to happen. Are you going to get a home run today?
Yeah.
Wow, that was I am going to try and get a home run. It'll probably be when Mrs. Sass decides to not record it, because that's what she likes to do, right?
Listen, it was raining last week, so deal with it, bro.
I didn't get a home run last week.
I had to sit in
Wow,
the
she's not
car.
even paying attention.
I had to sit in the car with an angry baby for like 45 minutes.
And here's the baby.
By myself.
Oh, she just hit me. Wow, she is so rude.
Distracting me over there, Pokemon.
You can't run away. Knock 'em dead, baby.
I don't even know this person. Kick it though. I just got some really bad news. I got a Pikachu, I got a Pikachu.
He ran away from me.
I got a Pikachu.
Can I tell you, all I want is Pikachu. I will continue to play Pokemon Go, but I wanted Pikachu, and I effing lost him. I even fed him a raspberry. I'm over this. I'm never playing Pokemon Go again.
So dramatic.
I'm sad. I really wanted him.
Let's talk about real sadness. My leg's a little sore. My first run to first. Oh man, I need to lose weight. I think being heavier is causing all my injuries. It definitely doesn't help. Pokemon Go is getting me to exercise far more. And yeah, we lost both games. I don't know, it was well-played games, but errors were our downfall. We need to practice, we get some practice scoring, and we will start winning. That's what I think.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Pikachu!
God. Hooey! Man, what a day. That was a very long day. Hello, phone. It was a very busy day. Busy day at work. Hey, beautiful.
Hi.
How was your day?
It was good.
Are you tired?
Ow!
You.
Ow.
Don't worry, I beat it up.
Thank you.
Oh, Miss Sass, I have sneeze.
I'm tired.
I have sneeze. Hold it. Ready? I'm gonna play it in slow mo. I'm gonna sneeze right at you, okay?
Okay. Is it going away? That was loud.
I didn't try to. Woo. That was a cool sneeze. Okay, so we
Are going for.
She's right here. We're
I
gonna.
stopped myself.
Hi, baby girl. She heard that sneeze. She's like, uh-oh.
That was a big scary one.
The first one comes to us from Tubi Toys. Would you get out of here, Facebook? From Tubi Toys. Here we go. Your baby girl is just beautiful. You will sleep again, I promise. I always wake up exhausted, though. Hashtag Life of Mom. I feel the overall theme of today's vlog was a sweet baby trying to take over your camera, a cute dog painted in the background, and lots of sweating. Oh, and some shirt confusion. That's when I was George. That being said, would you rather be sweating in the summer or freezing your butt off in the winter? Dun, dun, dun.
Can't I just have a happy medium?
No. Pick one.
I'll choose winter so I can layer up to be warm.
I am going with Mrs. Sass on this because if it's the summer and you don't have air conditioning, you can only take off so many layers of clothes, but if it's the winter, you can lay up and be nice and toasty no matter where you are. Number 2. Aren't you going to say thank you, Mrs. Sass? Thank you, Tubi
Mrs.
Toys.
Thank you, Tubi Toys. Thank you, Tubi Toys.
Number 2 comes from our friend Big Money for Eternity, Mike. Hello! Just so you guys know, I have never once given you a dislike on your videos, so that dislike was definitely not me. That was the one dislike we ever got in our videos. I like having lazy days. Some days you just have to put everything aside, take a rest from the busy life. With that being said, would you rather? Every time you sat down, you stood back up uncontrollably, or every time you laughed, a burp would come out instead. You guys rock. It's a good one. Could we lay
What's
down?
the first one?
Every time you sat down, you stood up uncontrollably.
Yeah, I choose that one.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't want to be rude and be like, oh, I like your hair.
That is rude. I would go with the burp. Because it would create funnier situations, but then I'd never catch my breath and die. That wasn't a burp. I tried.
That was just a scary noise.
I'm gonna go with a burp because I'm gonna go to every comedy show and be that guy who interrupts it with, yeah. What about you, baby Sass? Woo, 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 woo. Bang, 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 bang. Mrs. Sass, please say goodnight, please.
Good night.
Good night. What would you rather? Please let us know in the comments. If you have a would you rather you'd like us to do, let us know. Ooh, good night. And you know what? The whole world is obsessed with Pokemon. So if I want to catch Pokemon, you can deal with it.